Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm gonna tell you how to build an Amazon affiliate website step by step. I probably don't need to tell you that building a successful Amazon affiliate website is not for the faint-hearted. It takes ridiculous planning and obscene amount of patience and uncanny ability to break through the barrier after a barrier of constant self-doubt. But if there's one thing that will slow you down, is the systematic snail in a relay race. It's getting that perfect Amazon affiliate website setup before you can start working on actually growing your business. Whether it's spending hours deciding a theme, countless days tweaking the design until it's just right, or weeks figuring out the newest sensors, all the must-have tech, it's often a process that sucks the life of you before you even get the off the starting line. Not to mention the financial cost of delayed growth. The solution is simple: leverage the site setup of someone who's already fought and agonized over every microscopic detail of building the specific type of website. I'm talking about complete framework that allows you to focus on the core drivers of your business from day one and bypass that time stuck that so many budding authority and neat site builders get caught up. So, today I'm gonna tell you how to build the perfect Amazon affiliate site. Before we get to all that, I quickly want to go over the fundamentals of the build and I want to quickly go over. So I want to quickly go over the you have to let's break it down. First of all, you have to go for the hosting. Should be built on a stable and secure server that allows at least 3,000 visits per month with the possibility of seamless upgrade in the future. And then you need to have the content management and offer secure and versatile environment for the site, as well as the ability to easily to create and manage large amount of published content. And you should have a good theme. You should have a secure framework that's compatible with the rest of the site building and the functionality and the design aspect. Support is also a strong factor. You should have good sense of security, be able to detect and block attack, as well as identify any potential vulnerabilities. Website recovery is also an additional but equally important things to consider here. And more importantly, search engine optimization is be fully search engine optimized in order to rank both informational and commercial content, establishing a steady flow of organic traffic. Then you need to have basic knowledge about Google Analytics, have access to advanced data on tracking of website and page post performance content. More importantly, the page design is something you should be quick and easy to customize the layout and design of your core page and blog content. Then link management, and then comes the link management. Be capable of organizing all your affiliate links under one easy to move, as well as being able to effectively swap out old links from one location. Then, more importantly, the product display. Be able to display linkable product boxes and comparison tables throughout the content that comply with Amazon terms of service. And more importantly, link localization. Redirect visitors to the correct affiliate offers based on the geographic location in order to capitalize on the majority of your traffic. So, the build meets all the requirements. So, as I outlined in the video, it's what considered the leanest and most optimized and the efficient setup for Amazon affiliate website to start with. And you can simply break the process in three distinct phases, which are like phase one should be the foundation, the phase two should be the bolt on, the phase three should be the design. So what's the big picture of what I'll be covering now? It's time to get down in the trends and start building your Amazon affiliate website. Ready? Let's do it. So, more importantly, the hosting and domain is the first step of any site build, and since it's also a single point of your failure or for your entire business, it's easily one of the most important decisions you can make it at this early stage. So, what makes a good hosting for an Amazon affiliate website? It should have a good server, it should be able to maintain multiple backups, it should have good interface, it should have good support. You can go with SiteGround. It's one of the most respected hosting companies out there. It has a great setup, it has great support, and more importantly, you can go with Content Delivery Network, which is also called as CDN. Cloudflare is a very reputed network. You can go for that. So once you have the good backend, then you can start creating reviews, start creating content, and introduce good theme and look for the error in your coding or and make sure you review your product thoroughly and in depth. So I get I just covered everything in between and hope you liked the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for the most upcoming and the best videos regarding the Amazon affiliate. So make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. And thank you. Have a great day. Bye.